Wetin be your name?
My name na Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa Kwaza. Zabulaza.
What? Abeg. Wetin be your name again? Call am again. Wetin be your name?
I say my name na Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa Kwaza. Zabulaza.
Chai, if you spell am.
I don't fit spell am.
Call am again.
Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa Kwaza. Zabulaza.
Jesus. How you gonna spell am?
For school, I know the right name for my book. Oh. Even for my test, I know the right name. My exam gossip, I know the right name. Everybody wey dey my school, they don't fit spell my name. My mama and papa gossip, they don't fit spell my name.
Call am again, make I hear you spell am.
Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa Kwaza. Zabulaza.
Jesus. Chai.
My name na Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa Kwaza. Zabulaza.
Chai. Abeg, wetin you call your name again? Wetin be your name?
My name na Kwaza Waza Kwakwikwa